the element of direction or directing, we can say the first one here which we are going to start today is motivation. Motivation is the most important element of directing, without which you all are experiencing it. You all must be knowing that unless there is some sort of motivation, keep your pen, pencil ready, and whatever is not in your book, you will write in the book. In between, I ask anybody to show me what have you written, what have you underlined, and what you are doing. Everybody is seen to me, and it is going on record. Nobody will message anybody. Every message is being displayed on my screen. So be ready now. Motivation. What is motivation? Many a times you must have heard कि बहुत अच्छी motivational speech दिया father ने, sister ने, sir ने, but unless that motivational speech, unless that particular lecture is practiced after being understood or grasped, it has no weightage, I would say. It has no weightage. It has no importance unless you grasp it, you take it, understand it, and then do some action. The main impact should be of action. Motivation is the process of stimulating people to action, stimulating somebody to action, to act so that the accomplished goal can be achieved. Stimulating people means making them to work. It is a force which drives people to action. How it is done? What is the theory behind it? That we will study. But motivation is making people do action in any way. There are different ways of motivating people. By emotionally attaching themselves with some work, economically attaching themselves to some work, by penalties, by punishments. Negative motivation, that is called negative, that if you do not do this, this would be the fine, this would be the penalty. That also urges, that also makes a person to think over and to work. Positive motivation is there. If you do this, you may be promoted. If you accomplish this task, this would be the incentive for you. This would be the plus for you. That is called positive motivation. So whether it is positive, whether it is negative, whether it is economical, whether it is emotional, anything which drives people, which forces people to action, is known as motivation. Right? इसमें आपका क्या है? There is one term, motive. Motivation में एक आ रहा है आपका word motive. Motive means inner state that energizes a person. Energizes a person means stimulates a person. Inner urge आनी चाहिए ना, that all the time somebody tells you you should speak truth, you should speak truth, but inner, there is no urge in you to speak the truth. It is useless unless there is a inner willingness to do something voluntarily. Nobody can force you. Nobody can sit on your head all the time to tell you. It is only sometimes in an organization or in different fields that these motivational classes or lectures or seminars, they take place. But other time, it is the people themselves who have to take the lead. Motivators are those who motivate you to do a certain work. They are called motivators, and different accessories, different you can say aids which help to motivate a person are known as motivators. Features of motivation. Features of motivation. It is an internal feeling. Internal feeling means it should come from within. It should come from within. If you are not motivated by yourself, if you are not, like if you are not interested yourself, you are not serious about studies, then somebody has to take the lead. Teachers are there, your maybe elder brother or sister. Some of the parents, they take a lot of interest. They motivate you. They guide you. They give you different reasons. They tell you different stories to inspire you so that you study and become something. But unless you have it from within, nobody in this world can make you study. Here the role of motivator is very important. So in an organization, when people are not inclined to work, everybody wants to escape, you know. Everybody wants to escape work. There, this motivation plays an important role. There, this motivation plays an important role. Therefore, motivation always produces goal-oriented activities. You must have seen, after watching a movie based on patriotism, you come out of the theater, you are filled with lot of patriotic thoughts, right? You are filled with lot of patriotic thoughts. Oh, I would also become soldier. I would have done this. I would do this, that. But after some time, it goes off. Sometimes you listen to a very good story by a teacher. You are very much inspired. I should also do like this. If I would have been in that place, I would have certainly done this. You are very much energized. You are very much full with enthusiasm, zeal, inner willingness to do that work. But after some time, oh, it goes off. Because you are then again, you engage yourself in all other sort of extracurricular activities. So keep the focus. To keep the focus on work, motivators play an important role. They always keep you towards the organizational goal. So whenever these things take place, the organizational goal is closer. As I already told you, motivation can be either positive or negative. Motivation can be either positive or negative, both. Tenani Prajwal, I told you, don't go off screen. Don't touch your camera once the class is on. I am keeping an eye on everyone all the time. Seetal is also offline. One search. Motivation is a complex process. It's not. Every person has a different mindset. Each story does not work for everyone. Therefore, different people need to be motivated in different ways. Methods of motivation are used for them, that we will study later on. But it is a very complex process, not easy, right? And people need to be handled with great care so that they work for the betterment of the institution, the organization. What is importance of motivation? Why it is important? Because motivation helps to improve the performance of people. It helps to improve the performance of people. A highly motivated person, a highly motivated employee whose audio is on, please take care. A highly motivated person always think of the organization, always see, always want to give his 100% or sometimes more than 100%. They want to give because he has that inner willingness to work for the organization. Inner willingness. Inner also motivation helps to reduce the labor turnover. Labor turnover, you understand? Labor means employees frequently when employees frequently change their jobs. When whose audio is on? If I find anybody not following the rules, you take it in writing from me, you will never be able to join the class. Once as you are listening or not? Your video is still not on. So, motivation helps to reduce the turnover, employees turnover. Turnover means when employees frequently change the job. Keep on changing, keep on moving, keep on shifting themselves. But if the employees are highly motivated, if they are properly guided, properly supervised, properly taken care of in an organization, they do not leave that organization. They want to work till the retirement in that particular organization. So if they are highly motivated, if they are given proper care, proper attention, if they are properly treated as family members in an organization, they want to remain there. So motivation also reduces the turnover, employees turnover. They do not leave the organization frequently. They leave the organization quickly. Motivation helps manager to introduce changes. Introduce changes means if you want to make any changes in an organization, the employees may resist it. Bilal, employees may resist it means that they may not want to adapt themselves to some changes. They may not want to accept it willingly. But if they are motivated, if they are guided properly, it is sure that they will go for the change. They will welcome change because it is in their favor. It is in the favor of the organization. They understand it. They understand that it is in their favor and they go for it. Highly motivated person. I mean to say, one who is for the institution, one who is for the organization, is always willingly accepts changes. Now, you all must be aware of this process, but today we name them. We will name it. We will name it. Vansika, pay attention in the class. I am telling you, I am keeping an eye on everyone all the time. You may not know it, and it is on record. Whatever I am telling you is on record. This is your class performance. This is how you are following the rules in the class or not following. This is how you are behaving in the class. ये कोई picture hall नहीं है where you are watching a movie. If you compel me to take serious action, then you see what I will do. You just can't sit and listen also. I will call your parents, don't worry. Very soon there will be parent-teacher meeting online, and I will call the parents individually by ringing them, and I will have a meeting. I may call them to my place also to tell about your deeds and misdeeds. Process of motivation. Process means how this motivation goes on, how to properly follow this process so that all the employees are properly guided or instructed or directed or supervised, and the action is being done. They come to act for the employees, come to act for the organization. See, every individual has unsatisfied needs. अब आपको बताते हैं how does it really work. Every individual, every employee, हम क्योंकि organization की बात करें, has unsatisfied needs. The organization, the motivators, they identify those unsatisfied needs, because those needs which are unsatisfied, they create tension. They create tension in the minds of people. When that tension is created, then some sort of inner drive, that tension drives a person, tension drives an individual or employee to do something, to find ways, to find such sort of activities which will satisfy his need. If you are thirsty, the need of water is there. If you are thirsty, there will be a urge, there will be a tension in the mind. Oh, I have to drink water. From where I should get, where I will get the water? What can I do for it? Oh yes, I have to go to that place because wahin par milega water. I have seen the say hand pump there, right? Or there is a shop. That action you will have to take to go from here to there. That is the search of the behavior, search of the activities. After that, when you get the water and you drink it, your need is satisfied. When the need is satisfied, it reduces the tension. Then this whole process gets completed. Starting from the unsatisfied need, identification of unsatisfied need, which gives tension. Tension drives us into action. That action should be towards the fulfillment of that particular goal. And when that goal is satisfied, when that goal is achieved, we get satisfied and the whole process is completed. इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए the motivation takes place, the motivation process takes place. और जो ये motivation है इसमें थ्योरी है, Maslow's need hierarchy theory, Maslow's need hierarchy theory, very important theory. In boards it is asked several times, Maslow's need hierarchy theory. उन्होंने हायरार्की थ्योरी दिया, हायरार्की उन्होंने ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रीफरेंस, ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रीफरेंस इन द सेकंड चैप्टर प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट आपने पढ़ा था, स्केलर चेन वेयर आई टॉक्ड अबाउट द हायरार्की. हायरार्की का मतलब होता है ऑर्डर, अ सीक्वेंस, राइट? इट कैन बी असेंडिंग, इट कैन बी डिसेंडिंग, लोअर टू टॉप, टॉप टू बॉटम, बट देयर शुड बी एन ऑर्डर, देयर शुड बी अ हायरार्की देयर. एंड Maslow's need hierarchy theory में all the important needs of a person, all the important needs of person are given the order. एक आपके बुक में you see एक triangle सा बना होगा. In your book, look at the Maslow's need hierarchy theory. There is a triangle. Everybody can see. एक ट्रायंगल से बना है और उसमें बॉटम में सबसे पहले नीचे दी हुई है साइकोलॉजिकल नीड्स. एवरी इंडिविजुअल हैज दीज नीड्स, साइकोलॉजिकल नीड्स वेयर फूड, वाटर, रेस्ट एटसेट्रा आर द थिंग्स ही इज लुकिंग फॉर एट फर्स्ट. रोटी कपड़ा एंड मकान, रोटी कपड़ा एंड मकान आर द बेसिक psychological and basic needs, daily needs, basic needs for a person. These should be satisfied first. When these needs are fulfilled, he looks for safety needs. Safety काय की economic safety, physical safety and social security. Three type of securities a person is always looking for. Physical of his body, he should not fall sick, so he gets different types of precautions he does, and also he takes different type of health insurances and all. Then there is economic security or safety, that he should get regular income, regular income. Then there is social security, that he should get social support, he should have friends, he should have people to look after him, people to make him feel good, and mostly they are the family members and the friends. Then there is third need, belongingness and love needs. Belongingness, that in society we interact with people, right? And we have social gatherings, we have different functions where we come closer to each other, with one another, and we appreciate each other. So we feel like, everybody feels like, everybody wants to be accepted, everybody wants to be welcome in a particular group or in a particular society. So that need is to be fulfilled. वो कैसे fulfill होती है? जब वो लोगों से घुलता मिलता है, and he takes notice of it. Then there is esteem need. Esteem, you understand? Self-esteem, respect, not only money, but a person is also hungry of, I would say, he also wants self-respect, that wherever he goes, whatever position he has, he should also be respected, he should also get some respect from others. Then there is self-actualization need. When all these needs are fulfilled, then self-actualization need means he has achieved almost everything in life. He has money, he has a good job, he has family, he is liked by people, he is respected by people, he has क्या कहते हैं उसे, economic safety also, his job is permanent type, and he is a hard working person, everybody loves him. All these, when needs are fulfilled, but in the same order, okay, in the same order, सबसे पहले तो वही रोटी कपड़ा एंड मकान, इट शुड बी फुलफिल्ड फर्स्ट. यही फुलफिल नहीं होगा तो व्हाट अदर थिंग्स ही कैन ऑप्ट फॉर. Then in the same order he will go up, and when all the needs are fulfilled, then we can say that the person has actually achieved everything, and usko self actualization satisfaction milta hai, and that person I would say becomes more contented and happy. When all these things are done, motivation की theory भी है, because every person has these type of psychological needs and all type of activities are required for him. How to motivate a particular person, right? Anything which can help a person to actually work for the organization comes under the process of motivation. So there are different incentives. There are different incentives for motivation. And what are incentives? Incentives are any measures which are taken for motivating people. तो people को motivate करने के लिए जो कुछ भी करेंगे, that is incentive. Whatever you will provide is incentive. And incentives are of two types. Incentives are of two types. One is financial incentive, another one is non-financial incentive. You can also name them monetary incentives and non-monetary incentive. Monetary incentives and non-monetary incentives, which I will discuss in the next class. Everybody stay online. I am taking your pictures so that it can be used for the, everybody face this side, so that it can be used for the attendance also. And one more, second screen. And also, as I told you, keep your work updated all the time. I am happy that today also 35 students are present for the class, but those who are still not there, or any of you if do not continue to be regular in the class, my dear students, take it for granted they will suffer a lot afterwards. Already the results are out yesterday, you must have seen, and you must have seen that our students have done very well, right? And this year most of the girls in commerce section were on the top 5 or 6, 7 I think are girls only. Top 7 are girls only, but I hope next year, means in your batch, some boys will also give fight to the girls, and it would be a challenge for the boys to give tough competition to the girls, so that next year our topper from commerce would be a boy. But girls are also not far behind. If they also give good competition, good fight, healthy competition, there are some girls who can again make all of us proud. Anyways, it is all about setting your target, setting your goal. You must have got the information. Madhvi Arora is first in the sense, commerce section I am talking about, with 93.6%. Then there is Pratibha Narang with 93.4. Then there is Twinkle Bajwa. There is Manpreet Kaur. There is Visakha Saxena. There is Navrubal. All girls. But there are boys, those who have done very well. Lokesh is one of them. Lavish is one of them. Even Prince Rotela has managed to score above 75%. Right? Dipan Singhal has also done very good, close to 80s, and many other students are there. We have no failures, and we have some compartments, and hopefully they have also scored good marks, but they will, I am very much sure that they will do well in the compartment also, and they will get 100% results we have. And I hope in the next year also you will be giving us better results. Every time we work for betterment, and I hope you will also give a good result, even better than this. The top percentage will be more than 95. And let us see whether it is a boy or a girl. All those who are present today, इनमें से जो भी है, those who want to be on the top, please you can raise your hand like this. In the toppers list next year, all those who want to be, please raise your hand like this. Very good. I can see some hands. Some are very reluctant to even raise their hands. तो जो हाथ भी नहीं खड़ा कर पा रहे वो बाद में क्या करेंगे? I don't understand. At least you should have a will, inner will. When you don't have that inner urge or will, दूसरी स्क्रीन में भी देख ले कौन कौन है, inner will or urge, then nobody can take you to that heights or that place. Very good, very good. Nice to see that. I am very happy. Let us see, it would be a boy or a girl. But in class also, whenever the questions are being asked, whenever anything is asked of you, when you answer, it goes in your favor. It goes for your plus. And same applies for negative marking also. Anyways, today class is over. Every day the class is at 11 a.m. Every day the class is at 11 a.m. All those who are first time, please continue this good habit. And those who are joining regularly, hats off to them. They are doing very good for themselves. Any problem, any sort of confusion, you can ask me anytime. Right? Saturdays, our Saturday class will be a complete revision class in which you can ask your queries, you can ask your problems, and in between also you can message me or you can call me anytime to ask your problems. Those who have not joined still, please make a point to remind them. Though I am sending a particular message to every student, even then some of the students are not responding. All those messages are as a record. So please take care. Tell them to take it seriously. And tomorrow, till then, enjoy yourself. Keep your work updated. And God bless all of you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Good day.